Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Fairview Shores, local and long-distance movers near me. Relocating houses within the beautiful city of Fairview Shores, Florida can become a stress-free experience with the assistance of local moving companies like 3 Movers. We are experienced in organizing intra-city relocations and provide specialized services tailored to the specific needs of Fairview's residents. Using our extensive knowledge of Fairview's neighborhoods, we quickly arrange the best routes, ensuring minimal traffic and accessibility issues. Professional movers in Fairview Shores employ speedy packing procedures to secure your belongings while they are being moved to your new home. We also help with long-distance moves from Fairview Shores. We excel at extensive planning, interstate compliance, effective packaging techniques, on-time delivery, and transparent pricing. We also use their skills to help make elaborate moving plans specific to each client's needs, ensuring a seamless voyage. We also use our expertise in interstate regulations to help manage regulatory roadblocks and ensure conformity throughout the relocation. Our team secures goods during lengthy trips by using specialized packing techniques and materials. We monitor and manage the entire delivery process using efficient logistics networks to ensure one-time delivery. To provide precise moving cost estimates, transparent pricing models account for distance, weight, and additional services. 3 Movers provides trusted and complete services for a stress-free transfer, whether you relocate inside or between states. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fairview Shores moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.